Hey YouTube, thanks for joining in today. I want to show you how I screen print t-shirts on my 6 platen line table at home. I'm going to load up my 6 shirts onto my 6 platens to begin the screen printing process. Now I can put tape on the edges of my screen to cover up any sections that don't have emulsion to prevent ink from getting onto my screen other than the design that I want. For designs that had a few mistakes, I go and I follow up with a paintbrush, or I could go and replace my screen. As long as I haven't picked up the shirt to move it, I can replace the screen down and do another print on top of it to fill in any spots that I had missed. After I've completed several shirts, I hang them to air dry, and then at the end of my screen printing process, I go back and I heat press each shirt for 20 seconds at 320 degrees. This allows the Speedball water-based ink to become permanent and not wash out in the washer. Here's the next round of my t-shirts. This one is going to be using the same design, but it's going to be a 2-color print. So the first round is going to be with blue ink. I'm going to tape off the top portion of the design so that no ink can get through that design, and I'm only going to be exposing and printing the bottom portion of the design. Once these dry, I will come back with the second color and reverse the process, blocking off the bottom portion and allowing the top portion to be printed through. So that's how you use a 6 platen table press to press t-shirts with up to 2 colors in your home studio. Thanks for watching.